Today, we took our equipment to a storage site to test our energy storage and charging product with a drone pilot. The first round of testing has begun. Connected to the fast charging port, it fully charges a battery in 8 minutes. Okay, now let's measure the decibels level. The machine operates at around 67 decibels, compared to a roaring noise of fuel generator. This is incredibly friendly. The energy storage can rapidly and safely charge 2 drone batteries at the same time, ensuring uninterrupted operation for a pilot. Now it's afternoon session. Its 120 kWh energy storage has been powering the drones continuously all morning and is still performing steadily this afternoon. The drone pilot is very satisfied with the product and speaks highly of it. That's a wrap for today. If you are interested in the products, don't forget to subscribe and follow.